affiliate income system. Friends, let me share some of the major benefits for you. What are the benefits of affiliate income system? Want to know? Let me share. Okay, so number one is you are going to earn online, and through affiliate system you are going to earn money, and plus affiliate system. Let me hide myself, okay, so that I can cover all the points. You are going to work only once and earn forever. You're going to work only once. You are going to sell useful, established and proven others product. There is no after sales support or worries. You have to use just a social media and communication system. You can reach maximum people in minimum time, build community with maximum people. So friends, you might be thinking, yes, is it for me? If you are an entrepreneur, if you are trainer, teacher, consultant, professional, business owner, knowledge giver, manager, startup, job seeker, or even the student, then yes, this is for you. Yes, this is for you. You might be thinking, what I'm going to get the benefit because of affiliate income system? You are going to create automated money making machine. Yes, friends, automated money making machine. In the sense, what? Automatically money is going to come to your bank account. You are going to get 10 to 20 leads without much efforts, and you are going to start earning. Okay, you are going to get an opportunity to earn 1 lakh per month and much more than that. But yes, for that a dedicated effort is required. So this all you're going to do without investment in website, technical skill, emails, big investment, and lots of study and research, because all the things I'm going to do for you. Friends, let me share the top 3 secrets of affiliate income system. Want to know? Let me share. So number 1 secret is learn. Friends, whatever you wish to make money online, you are going to learn in this system. So that is the first secret of affiliate income system. Second is to actions. Always implement or take action of whatever you are going to learn. Third secret is less efforts. In case of affiliation, there is no after sales support or service. Okay, or just refer the link. That's enough. Friends, you might be thinking, what is the outcome of these courses? Number 1 is MMO, that is, you are going to start making money online. Second major outcome is passive income. You are going to know multiple ideas of income sources. Third major outcome is continuous earning. You are going to work one time and you are going to get lifetime returns. Is it good idea? Yes. So friends, I want you to ask yourself some questions. Okay, number 1 is, if you are able to create multiple sources of income, then is it a great idea? What do you think? If yes, then go for it. Second question is, no effort. So is it okay to earn without creating any product or services? What do you think? If yes, then go for it now. Third question for you friends is unlimited. Is it great to have unlimited possibility, unlimited potential? If yes, then pause this video and go for the link and invest in this course now. Friends, let me give you some action plan for you. Number 1 is, I'm going to share some links like different groups, social groups like WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook, so that I want you to connect with this, for all the information. I want you to visit website for all the information. The main website is ourarea.in/AIS. The specific about affiliate income system, you are going to get all the information at one place, that is ourarea.in/AIS, affiliate income system. So next is, I'm going to share a surprise special offer and the investment information on the website. It is going to be continuously changing, so take maximum advantage of this. And I'm going to share the training schedule when I'm going to be live. You are going to get that all information in this session. So friends, you might be thinking what I am going to cover, right? So let me share, friends. So in session number 1, I'm going to guide you why to sell others products or services. Why to sell others? See, first of all, I want you to learn how to sell others product. That's it. Replace others by your. You are going to get maximum benefit. Yes, know the secrets of affiliate income system, understand the passive money making system, and also you are going to create your own payment gateway system. These are the major benefits. In session number 2, I'm going to help you with the action taking, that is implementation of learnings, whatever you have done in session number 1. Okay, so I want you to get the result. So I want you to watch the recording and implement. Friend, I'm going to share you the access to LMS. LMS means Learning Management System. In this, you are going to get access to my courses or videos wherein you are going to learn anytime, anywhere. Let it be day or night, doesn't matter. What is important is learning is more important. I want you to take action for quick results. Okay, if you have any questions, you can visit ourarea.in/QA. Okay, you are going to get all queries resolved. Session number 3 is about, it's again live session, how to share product and services, how to share the links, how to get more results, how to take action with implementation, and how to create your own WhatsApp group to attract n number of people. Okay, I'm going to share in that. In session number 4, it is again going to be implementation of earlier sessions. I don't want you to miss any recording or any content. Watch it again, take action, and go ahead. Still have any questions? ourarea.in/QA is the link for all the question answers. In session number 5, this is very, very important session, because in this I'm going to help you with the future scope of affiliation income system. Yes, friends, in future what is going to happen? So there is a great opportunity to work with us. If you want to work with us, you have the option. Even I'm going to share about the course Make Money Online in detail. Friends, these are the feedback of the earlier sessions about affiliate income system. You can pause and refer the link anytime. Let me share finally the action steps for you about affiliation income system. Number 1 is, I have already shared the different links of WhatsApp, Telegram and Facebook. Do refer this. All information about affiliate income system, you can refer it on ourarea.in/AIS. And I want you to refer this website now, because there is a special offer and investment is going on. Take maximum advantage of that and refer the training schedule for all the information. So that's it, friends. This is all about affiliate income system. Okay, see you on other side. Thank you very much.